All right, Neal. Neal. Personal box of 2012 black. We're kicking it old school. Going back 5 years to an epic rookie class. We haven't opened this since 3 years ago, National. I think we did this in, I want to say, Cleveland. It was either Cleveland or 2 Chicagos ago. All right, I forget how many. Give me a second. They're in here weird. I remember that. I think it might be this way backwards. What? I'm just going to go. Whatever. Kenny Britt for the Titans. The goodies are in the middle, I think. That's how they did this. Number 99, Devin Hester, NFL Equipment Duel. Next, Mr. Oh, that was numbered, sorry. To 349 on the Kenny Britt. Next is Cam Newton. Numbered, 7 of only 10. You can't even tell that would be a low-numbered card. Cam Newton to 10. Look at that. To 10. Next, that almost looks like it's there. Brian Urlacher. Number to 349, Captains. That's a fun set. Next, Weaponry, AJ Green. Number to 349. All right, let's go to the back. Number to 349, Kendall Reyes, rookie. Number to 349, Adrian Robinson, rookie. He was a 4th rounder. He was a 2nd rounder. All right. Next, Jamal Charles, NFL Equipment, number to 99. Then we have a redemption. Rookie black signatures, number 169, Michael Smith. So expired redemptions, but it's Panini, so they're awesome. If they have it, they'll fulfill it. If they don't, they'll swap it out. Michael Smith. Next, dang, that's nice. Rookie autograph, number to 199, Josh Gordon. Josh Gordon, rookie autograph. Next, Danny Cole, rookie auto for the Cowboys to 199. And rookie patch autograph, pretty good one. Number to 349, Alshon Jeffrey. Rookie patch autograph. Got a little stitching up there in the corner. Neal, 2012 Black Football. There you have it.